about how CNC technology fits in with the concept of Industry 4.0. Let me share with you our views. First of all, CNC technology is modern industry, indispensable core technology in manufacturing. In the era of Industry 4.0, CNC technology adopts intelligent manufacturing. Deep integration of networking and automation technologies can achieve more efficient, precise, and intelligent production methods. Secondly, CNC technology in Industry 4.0 times will play a more important role by placing the sensor. Combining advanced technologies such as robots with CNC technology, enterprises can achieve more intelligent production processes, thereby improving production efficiency and product quality. Finally, as a CNC source manufacturer, we committed to providing customers with more advanced, efficient, and smart technology solutions. In the era of Industry 4.0, we will continue to serve our customers, provide high-quality CNC technical services, and work with customers to explore the development prospects of intelligent manufacturing.